Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear all of your app data inside of your iPhone. So doing this will help you save a bunch of storage and it will just speed up your iPhone in general. So if you do have a slightly slow device, then this will definitely help you speed things up. Now what we need to do is come over to our home screen and select Settings, come down to the General tab, scroll down to iPhone storage, and at the top here you can see how much storage you have on your phone as well as how much storage you have remaining. So as you can see, for me I'm at about 50% of my capacity. And then what we need to do inside of here is just come down to the application section, click on the application that you'd like to delete the cache from, and then go ahead and select Offload App. Now you'll have to do this with each application that you want to remove the cache from, and then once you've done that we can head back over to General, back inside of Settings, and then we're going to scroll down the Settings window and come over to Safari. Now, Safari is an application that stores a bunch of cache and data on your device. So just come all the way down to Clear History and Website Data and select this, click on Clear History and Data. And that should have now freed up a bunch of space. So we're now going to come over to our home screen and come inside of Photos. And then we need to come down to Recently Deleted. And you're just going to go ahead and select everything inside of here and delete all of this. As you can see at the bottom, this will be deleted automatically anyway, but it can take up to 40 days. Now again, this does take up a lot of storage on our devices. So just make sure you clear through all of this. And then once you've done that, we're going to come back over to the home screen and perform a soft restart. So to do this, what you need to do is hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now this will work on all iPhones without a home button. So as long as you don't have a home button on your iPhone, which I think is anything above iPhone 8 and above, all you need to do is hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time, and this will go ahead and restart your iPhone. Once your phone's restarted, we can then head back over to Settings, scroll down to General, come back inside of iPhone storage, and now we can check to see how much storage we've saved by doing all of that. And that's basically how you clear all of your app cache on your iPhone. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.